Hey guys, Andrew Peterson here with Chad Green Motorsports, here at the BoxoUSA Tools guys today. We're now in our fourth year, I believe, fourth year with BoxoUSA, and been using all their tools, toolboxes. If you look over here right now, all the team is using the tools right now. Starting line vehicle, tow vehicle, we have our BoxoUSA setup, everything that we need in there to make sure the car can go down the start. There it is, right there, we gotta have that air.
BoxoUSA has been a great partnership for us. We've partnered with them for a few years now, and we use all their tools. They're great products, we love them. It's one of those things we couldn't do this without it. Well, we're feeling really excited about this season. Like I said, we got off to a really good start. I think it really extended from the end of last year. We really got this car on track towards the end of the season last year, and it's just carried over to this year. So we're expecting great things. We got some new performance we've added for this year. So can't wait to see what happens.